Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's sweet video, if you accidentally forgot to use a referral code to start driving for Uber, it's okay. I'm going to show you how to use a retroactive sign-up code so you can get your guarantee of up to $1,000. All right, all you got to do is open the Uber driver app. At the top of the screen, you're going to see either your picture or 3 lines. Click there. Then you're going to click Earnings. Next, click Help or the question mark, depending on what you see. Click Account and Payment. Then click Referrals. Click Invited Driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. Click Send a Message. The invite code that you're going to use is JACOBL17756UI. Friend's name is Jacob Letman. Phone number is going to be 307-349-7713. And the email address is goodvibetribe222@gmail.com. Finally, under details, you're just going to put, my friend Jacob referred me to drive for Uber. That's it. Send it in and get your guarantee of up to $1,000 to start driving with Uber. All right, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. You Rideshare Hub gang out there. Thanks for hanging out with us. We got a great video coming up for you right now. Sorry, I'm shuffling my papers, making sure I got everything intact, ready to go. Before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to all of our subscribers out there. You guys are rock stars. Thanks for subscribing to our channel and getting updates anytime that we come out with great new content. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now's your opportunity to do so. You can follow us on social media. We are on Instagram, Rideshare Hub. Check us out there. I'm Jacob Letman. Like I said, I'm on the gram as well, because that's where all the cool kids are these days. All right, enough of that stuff. Let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about 7 essential items that every single freaking Uber driver in the entire world needs. Every one of them. Every single Uber driver in the world should have these things. And you know what? I bet not all of them do. So now's your opportunity, because I'm telling you what you need. Let's get right into this thing. Number 1, and you need not one, but you need 2 of these, and these that I speak of are Uber stickers. You need them in the front of your vehicle and the back of your vehicle so that you're easily recognizable to all your Uber passengers out there that you'll be picking up and taking on an adventure in your vehicle. Hopefully not too adventurous, just medium adventure, or a pleasant experience. All right, moving right along. Number 2, what do we got here? Yes, cleaning supplies. Cleaning supplies. Let's talk about a few of these cleaning supplies. So, multi-purpose wipes, great for cleaning up everything in the world. I got these at the dollar store, which ironically has things that aren't just $1 there, but these were just $1, so they're probably toxic. I just dropped them. Anyway, cleaning wipes, great for everything. Spills, peanut butter, boogers, fingerprints, all that good stuff. Napkins. Boy, oh boy, these come in handy. Tell you when these come in handy. Someone needs to blow their nose. If you spilled a little bit of coffee somewhere, clean it all up with napkins. Anytime I'm at a fast food restaurant, Starbucks, whatever, just pick up some free napkins, throw them in my glove box, so I always have them on hand. Cool. Number 3. This is one you probably don't think about. A spare tire. Oh man, I tell you what, with as many miles as we drive on the roads, the odds are that eventually, and knock on wood that this doesn't happen, but the odds are that eventually you're going to go over something that gives you a flat tire. Now, okay, fun fact, if you get a flat tire, don't freak out. It's okay. Pull over to the side of the road. Actually, let's back this up real quick. Let's say you have a passenger in your vehicle and you get a flat tire. What do? Well, your car, unless your tire like totally shredded and flew off, it's okay. A lot of newer vehicles have air pressure gauges in them, so you'll get a warning if you're getting low on tire pressure. If not, you got to keep up on checking that tire pressure and make sure that they're good. Okay. Anyway, let's say you've got a passenger in your vehicle, you get a flat tire, pull over safely. You can end the ride, have your passenger order a new ride. It happens, it's just part of the deal. And if you have roadside assistance with your insurance, which I highly recommend doing, it's a couple extra bucks a month, pay for roadside assistance. You can call them. They can come out if you don't know how to change your spare tire or change your tire and put on your spare. They can help you with that. If you don't have a spare tire, here's a backup plan. You can get what's called Fix-A-Flat, and you'd need to get like a little compressor. You can get little air compressors, actually, that will hook up to your cigarette lighter, and you can pump it up with that. So Fix-A-Flat is great in a pinch, but the only problem with Fix-A-Flat is that your tire is then, you can't fix it. So if you get a flat tire with your original tire, let's say it's a nail, depending on where it's sticking in, usually you can take that to like Walmart or any tire shop and they can fix that for like 10, 15 bucks. And it's not a big deal. They just patch it up for you. But if you use Fix-A-Flat, it's good in a pinch, but then that tire is done. You got to buy a whole new tire. So try and avoid that if possible. Have a spare tire. And, okay, I think I've beaten that horse dead. That's kind of a sad phrase. Beat the horse dead. Anyway, I don't do that. Not into animal abuse. And now it's a felony. Anyway, moving on. So, spare tire. Oh, number 4. This is a good one. Full tank of gas. Have a full tank of gas. And you can use Gas Buddy. It's great. You get cash back on all of your fuel fill-ups. We have a link for that in the video description below. You can download the Gas Buddy app, get cash back earnings on all your fuel fill-ups. But it's always good to stay on top of keeping a full tank of gas. Don't let it get too low, because you never know when you're going to get a long ride. So on my vehicle, I always have the setting up to where it shows me how much mileage I have left on my fuel, or in my fuel tank. And I've gotten into a few situations where I've pushed that too long, and then what happens? A couple of things happens. Either fortunately, I've never had to stop with a passenger and get gas. I think that's embarrassing and highly unprofessional. If I was a passenger, I would give a poor rating to my driver for that. Unless it's a really long trip, and then your passenger would probably understand. Anyway, that aside, I have gotten into the situation where I've almost run out of gas, barely finish my ride up, and then I got to go straight to the gas station. And you know what happens? You're usually in an area where the closest gas station is way more expensive than the better priced gas. So don't put yourself in that spot. All right. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, this is big. I'm a huge Green Bay Packers fan. Coffee. It's delicious. It's vanilla roast or something like that. I love it. It's fantastic. Got it. So, where are we at here? Number 5, coffee or energy drinks, or tea, Not everybody drinks coffee, I understand. Well, I don't know that I understand, but I respect it. Something with caffeine. So you don't, eventually you probably be driving for a long time, you get a little drowsy. Always good to have your favorite caffeinated beverage on hand so you can pop it open in a pinch, get that little boost, and keep trucking along. Number 6. Yeah, you know what? I don't even have any in my vehicle right now, and it's a shame, but how about snacks? What are snacks for 1,000, please? Me, personally, I like to stay with some healthier stuff. I keep a small little lunchbox. I get an ice pack, throw it in this little lunchbox, throw some snacks in there, some nuts, some fruit, maybe some cheese sticks. What else do I like to snack on? Gosh, I like food a lot. Big fan of food. You would not know that by how skinny I am, but it's weird. I eat a lot and I stay like this. Anyway, number 6, snacks. And actually, big reason for that is it'll help avoid you having to stop at like a gas station and pay too much for snacks or eat too much junk food. So plan out a bunch of snacks, granola bars. There's all sorts of things. I'll let you handle that. Number 7, and actually save the best for last. This is one that not a lot of people think about. Super important. I highly value this, and it is rainy day money in your bank account. So something I've typically been terrible about, usually just because I've got more bills than I've got money coming in. Sometimes it's because I like to play too much golf. Sometimes that's just how it goes. But in all seriousness, there's a lot of financial advisors out there, and they'll tell you, pay yourself first, 10%, put it in a savings account. I think it's incredibly vital as a rideshare driver to have that money because of a couple of things. Especially if you're just starting out, you don't exactly know how much income you're going to be able to count on driving, first of all. So until you have a better idea of that, you want to have money to fall back on. Our vehicles, it's a fragile situation. We never know if something's going to go wrong or not. Again, knock on wood. Hopefully not. Everybody's vehicles stay protected out there. But we have to have that money in a pinch, because if we don't have our vehicle, we can't drive and make more money. And yeah, or, if you have something come up, let's say you get sick and you have to stay in bed. We don't have sick days, right? We don't have paid vacation days because we're not employees. So those are days that you have to take off. You're not making money. So for those reasons, my biggest one of this video, and hopefully what you take away from, have a rainy day fund in your bank account. All right, that's what I got for you guys. 7 essential items that every Uber driver needs in 2020. If you can think of anything else that I left out, please jump in the comment section below. Get at me. I love to get your comments, feelings, feedbacks, insightfulness, all that good stuff. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Until next time, drive safe, everyone.